Welcome back. Goa Police is awaiting sanction from Home Ministry to file charge sheet against the terror suspect Afzal Khan. Public prosecutor informed this to the High Court during the hearing of bail plea of Afzal Khan. Defense lawyer contended that NIA, RAW, Mumbai ATS and state investigating agencies interrogated Khan, but no evidence could be found.
The High Court of Bombay at Goa on Monday heard the bail plea of terror suspect Afzal Khan. Defense lawyers said that there are no solid proofs of unlawful activity by Afzal Khan. The High Court of Bombay at Goa on Monday heard the bail plea of terror suspect Afzal Khan. Defense lawyers said that there are no solid proofs of unlawful activity by Afzal Khan. Defense lawyer contended that NIA, RAW, Mumbai ATS and state investigating agencies interrogated Khan, but no additional evidence could be found. Defense lawyer also argued that he has been arrested on the basis of statements of two witness residents from Kalangut and Sakwar. Both the witnesses have recorded their statements before police and have said that Khan called them over phone and tried to provoke them in the name of religion, but phone call was not recorded. Defense lawyer contended that witnesses' statement could be false. Pleader should be granted conditional bail. Opposing the bail petition, public prosecutor said that 5 mobile SIM cards of different states obtained on the different person's name and driving license of other person was seized from Khan's possession. Public prosecutor also said that it's not the right time to grant him bail as Goa Police is awaiting sanction from Home Ministry to file charge sheet against him. CFSL report of SIM cards is also awaited. Public prosecutor further said that sanction from Home Ministry and CFSL report are expected within next 10 days. Considering this contention from prosecution, the High Court adjourned the matter till 22nd February. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Recent tremors could have weakened and resulted in the breach of Talari Canal and not the substandard construction work. That's what the Sawantwadi NCP MLA Deepak Kesarkar claims. Goa Water Department officials after site inspection had claimed that substandard construction work led to breach in the canal. Sawantwadi MLA has refuted the charges. He said committee has been set up to probe the quality of canal work. Restoring the canal is a priority and attempts are on to restore canal within a month's time.
आजी एन्क्वायरी आम्ही सुद्धा ते हाय लेवल एन्क्वायरी कमिटी बसयल्या आणि तुमकां खबर आसतलें की 1 महिना पयलीं तिलारी भूकंप जाल्लो दॅट इज ऑन रेकॉर्ड आणि जंय हो कालवो फुटला थंय तुमी पळयल्यार भूगर्भात कितें चेंज जावपाक जाता. कालवो सगळी कडेन फुटूना, जंय कालव्याच्या पोरना पाईप आशिल्ले पाईप हलपा जाता म्हणजे जेन्ना भूकंप जाता तेन्ना तो पाईप एक डिस्प्लेस जाल्यार सगळें सुद्दां व्हांवन जाता. दॅट इज अ टेक्निकल थिंग दॅट पीपल वील फायंड आउट. सो विदीन नेक्स्ट 8-15 days they will find out some solution to that problem. And what I am assured by the other government officers, because it is in my constituency, they said that within 1 month they will restore everything. We will see to it that whether the work was of good quality or not, because 25 years back that canal was built. So 25 years nothing happened to the canal. So you cannot just say that it was a substandard work because 25 years back it was built. During the last meeting itself it was decided that every year 1 month it will be closed for maintenance.
Eight-member committee has submitted a report about the alleged sexual harassment in Dental College. The report is submitted to the government. The report was first submitted to the dean. It was later handed over to Health Department. A group of girls had alleged that a lecturer is allegedly sexually harassing them.
Dr. Jyoti Rao submitted the report on the Dental College sexual harassment case to government on Monday. 8-member committee headed by Dr. Rao went through detailed investigation. Committee recorded statement of both the parties and submitted its report to the Dean of Dental College, Dr. Ida Athaide. Later, Dean submitted the report to the Joint Secretary of Health Department, Dr. Ram Sardesai. This incident came into light in the last week of January when a student of 3rd year and 1st year complained to the Dean regarding sexual harassment by a lecturer. The complaint stated that a particular lecturer is responsible for sexual harassment of the girls for the past many months. The complaint further informed that the lecturer was sending obscene SMS messages to the girl students, passing lewd comments on the students and also making offensive gesture. Some of the girls have also complained that the lecturer had invited them at his house by offering to provide them additional marks at the exams. Sources informed that lecturer is working in conservative dentistry and endodontics department for the last 2 years. Dean Dr. Ida immediately ordered inquiry when she received complaint from the student. Sources from the dental college informed that the lecturer himself have stopped coming to college since inquiry has been ordered. Laukik Shilkar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.